Hi everyone, I'm Rishta. I'm 20 years old and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are talking about my current favorite products of the month.
1, 2, 3, I'm
Let's get started with the body care products first. The first one is Plum Body Lovin' Vanilla Caramel Body Lotion with cocoa butter. I kid you not, every time I put this on, it feels like I just walked out of a bakery. It's that rich and warm in flavor. It's just not about the scent, it's super moisturizing without feeling so sticky, and it gives your body that healthy glow even after hours. If you are someone who loves sweet, cozy smells with toffee, caramel, and wintry vibes, you are gonna love this one. It has become my non-negotiables in my routine after showers. Okay, this one is from Nykaa. It's Wanderlust Ethiopian Coffee Body Scrub. First of all, it smells so good, and I am a big sucker for the products which smells good. I use it once or twice a week, and the texture is not too gritty, but it gives a good exfoliation. And I am someone who likes coffee literally everywhere. I like it in my ice creams, tiramisu, body lotions, scrubs, what not. I think that's why this one has become my favorite body scrub. Okay, let's talk about body hair removal. I use Veet Professional Ready to Use Full Body Wax Strips, and it's written in the packaging that it gives up to 28 days of smoothness, which is honestly a bit of stretch, but for me, it lasts for a good 20 days. I think it's still solid. This is honestly such a good find. It's super easy to use and super affordable also. I am honestly a believer of shave करने से बाल मोटे आते हैं. Not always, but with me, I can see the difference when I wax and when I shave. So it's not possible to go to the salon or parlor every few weeks and get your waxing done. So I switched to body wax strips, which is honestly as good. The next is my favorite fragrance, not just for the month but for all time. Victoria's Secret Romantic. You can see how much I have already used. The scent is floral, slightly sweet. It gives off that soft feminine vibe which I absolutely adore. It's like a clean girl who is effortlessly put together. I use this after shower, on casual days, or even when I have to go somewhere. This Be Body Wise body sunscreen spray is a dream for lazy girls like me. Like seriously, tell me who wants to spend their whole day rubbing the sunscreen in their body? Not me, and neither should you. Because with this one, you can spray it all over your body and it will blend within seconds. Plus, it's SPF 50. You're still getting the protection without putting in the effort. Amazing, isn't it? Let's move on to the holy grail, the mother of all the acne products, Benzac AC, which has 5% of benzoyl peroxide in it. If you're dealing with breakouts and want something which actually works, the acne field is so saturated कि कोई भी कुछ भी बोल के चल जाता है, and you start using the product, you end up destroying your whole face barrier. You don't apply this in your whole face, you use it as a spot treatment. I use it in my nighttime routine and it dries out the area a bit, so make sure you moisturize it properly after washing the face in the morning. Trust me, within 2 or 3 days your breakouts will be gone. However, the acne scars will still be there. You need to treat it with serums, which is something I am also working on. So yeah, coming from an acne girly itself, you should trust this and use it once. The next product is something जो भी ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं उन सबके पास होगा. It's that viral. Yes, I'm talking about Dot & Key Vitamin C Super Bright Sunscreen Waterlight. Trust me, Waterlight किसी reason से बोला गया है. It actually feels like you have put nothing on your face. Ever since I have started using this product, I feel like मेरी skin care काफी जल्दी खत्म हो जाती है because it blends so quickly. I absolutely love this. It's favorite for a reason. Okay, this one is different. I'd like to recommend to you 2 books, Surrounded by Psychopaths and Surrounded by Idiots by Thomas Erikson. This is about understanding different personality types. You can see how there are 4 types of people: red, yellow, green and blue. I connect myself more with green person. Human behavior and psychology is what intrigues me the most. If you're someone who just can't deal with your boss, your colleague, you should give this book a try. Maybe you will find some answers. I will link the products in the description, so make sure you check it out. The next one is Lip Sleeping Mask from the Face Shop. This one my sister has gifted me a week ago. I'm not even kidding. You apply it overnight and you wake up with the most moisturized, soft looking lip. Also, if you have pigmented lips, this will surely help you out because it has vitamin C in it. Also, it's super hydrating and non-sticky. What else would I ask for in a lip mask? Absolutely love it. And lastly, what's life without dessert anyways? I tried Kivinter's tiramisu ice cream, and trust me, for once, the moment you will take just one bite and say, okay, I'll just taste it, the next moment you're seen scraping the bottom of the tub. Like, where's your self-control? So creamy and I want to have it right now, seriously. The next time you find Kiventiers, go search for tiramisu ice cream and have it and thank me in the comments later. Alright guys, that is it for my monthly favorites. All the products are in the description. Make sure to go and check it out. If you're doing so, let me know in the comments which products you're trying. That's it then. See you in my next vlog. Till then, like, share, subscribe and comment below. Bye bye.